Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ramen Geki. We'll dive into creating a truly fiery and flavorful ramen experience. Geki means intensely hot, so prepare your taste buds for a delightful kick. This guide focuses on building a robust, spicy broth and perfectly preparing your noodles, whether you start with instant ramen or fresh ingredients. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into an unforgettable, warming meal. To craft your fiery broth, start with about 4 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth. For that signature Geki heat, incorporate 2 generous tablespoons of gochujang, a Korean chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of chili crisp. Don't forget fresh aromatics, 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger. A tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil will add depth and a beautiful aroma. Now let's achieve noodle perfection and infuse those amazing flavors. Bring your spicy broth to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 10 minutes to fully develop its rich taste. Separately, boil your ramen noodles until they are perfectly al dente, which usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Drain them well, then add them directly into your simmering broth. Stir everything together and feel free to add more chili paste or sriracha for an extra fiery kick. To truly elevate your ramen geki, thoughtful garnishes are key. Top your steaming bowl with freshly sliced green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. For a heartier meal, add a perfectly soft boiled egg, sliced in half, and some tender roasted pork belly. Fresh vegetables like blanched bok choy or sautéed mushrooms also make wonderful additions. Serve your masterpiece immediately and enjoy every single slurp of this intensely flavorful and spicy dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.